Thank you so much. I mean, I think I was more on the side of, listening to how things will be working out in terms of coordination required between the two organizations, ultimately working out objectivity of the government of Pakistan and NIH on the surveillance side. But I think just to inform all the worthy colleagues, I'm very pleased. I know that what PHE is doing. We are very thankful for your good work going on with the NIH. We have been familiar with this since 2016 when you started working on this. But yeah, I think from our perspective, it will be important for all the players in the surveillance side of improvements in Pakistan to see how we can actually create synergies on things that. So just to let you know, I think from the perspective of a larger mandate that is with us on the information system side, we had a meeting with Dr. Faisal and also Dr. Amir a few weeks before, and it is all about how we can actually prioritize three areas in addition to the larger vision of creating intersections between health and social sector informatics for Pakistan. And these three areas are basically developing information systems and technologies for Pakistan CDC, that is emerging fact, as you know very well. It's an emerging body that will be looking after the larger perspective of disease prevention, research, and many other areas that Dr. Faisal has envisioned. And the second is laboratory information system, both in public and private sector, starting with public sector, empowering public sector laboratories not only to connect themselves on a single platform, but also to make sure that how the information is actually being captured and what does it mean in terms of analytics and artificial intelligence to be used in daily routine decision making for that matter actually. So we are and the third area is of course hospital management information system. Now these three areas are actually prioritized by the government of Pakistan, NIH, and the ministry. Surveillance is of course part of it. DHIS of course is an offshoot in terms of how we link with all the existing information system. Our vision is basically to have a hybrid approach in terms of how we are looking at developing a defragmented environment where we are creating interoperability and data streams talking to each other. And that is I think will be undertaking just not DHIs but many other systems of the provincial and national government actually. Yeah, and I think more than that, as I'm sure you're familiar, that cabinet decision and ordinance which is on the way to have NIH as the data center of Pakistan, health data center of Pakistan. We're also looking at how not only the capacity to capture data, but data security and hosting functions for a longer are being envisaged, and how they are being looked after in terms of NIH becoming a scientific data center where three functions are hosted, not only just data security, data hostage, but also change management. And that is why we are also coordinating with the team of Gates Foundation. And I think it will be good, to see Gates Foundation, USAID, Government of Pakistan, and UKAID, different partners to come on the same platform of technology as well, and creating synergies without any competitive environment and duplication. We just move forward on the larger goals that Government of Pakistan has envisaged. So with this, I think I will just like to add. I'm sure as we are aware about your activities, you must be aware of what we are doing. In COVID times, we have been able to institute at least 4 or 5 systems to Government of Pakistan, including Traveler Surveillance Management Information System that is being looked after by CHE. But there are other 2 or 3 systems being hooked into a platform that actually completes the loop of passenger surveillance and disease information from the point of view of point of entries of Pakistan. We are very closely working with NDMA on the logistics management information system procurement and purchase order management that has been developed and is being used nicely. We have been coordinating with World Food Program that was actually given the responsibility of logistics management for COVID-19, but ultimately, the platform of LMIS actually, resonated among all stakeholders that this is something that, Pakistan can use without much investment. So our VN is basically not to duplicate things, not to create any disruption, unnecessary disruption around technology partners. But our VN is basically to create synergies and coordination among all partners that are working together and making sure that we are actually aligned with the ultimate VN of the government of Pakistan as to how they would like to see surveillance data. We yet have to see, I'm sure I would like to hear more than anybody else, that how surveillance data is being used in terms of any artificial intelligence that you have pegged into IDSR, and how it is linked with supply chain information systems, how the surveillance services, surveillance data capturing, and logistics are talking to each other, and what does it mean to routine decision making. I think these are all good questions that we will be answering as we move forward. But I think that is it from my side. I look forward to working with you closely from a larger perspective of things that we have undertaken, and I'm sure we'll create more synergies. Thank you.
तारिक साहब, थैंक यू सो मच. बहुत अच्छा आपने ओवरव्यू अपना वो दिया. डेफिनेटली जो ओवरऑल ऑब्जेक्टिव है वो हम सबका एक ही है कि हम एक ऐसा सिक्योर डेटा सिस्टम चाहते हैं जहाँ पे हम फ्यूचर्स डेटा को जो है फोरकास्टिंग के लिए फॉर एनी डिजीज़ रिलेटेड और द हेल्थ रिलेटेड इवेंट के लिए यूज़ कर सकें, एंड ऑफ कोर्स इट शुड बी लिंक्ड टू रिस्पॉन्स एज वेल. सो तारिक साहब, हमारा जो अभी आज का वो मेन कंसर्न है ना, जो हम आपसे डिस्कस करना चाह रहे थे कि हम काफ़ी अरसे से डॉक्टर इरफान के साथ हमारी कोलैबोरेशन चल रहे हैं. इनफैक्ट वी वर आल्सो प्लानिंग टू हैव अ मीटिंग, training on IDSR for point of entries, but somehow there was a clash between WHO and PHE, so we are under discussion that who will do this training in the future. तो उसमें मैं आपसे ये पूछना चाह रही थी कि आप कह रहे थे उस दिन, आपने हमें बताया मिनिस्ट्री में कि यू आर एक्चुअली नाउ रिसीविंग डेटा फ्रॉम द 8 point of entries, and this is coming on the Excel sheet, and you are then uploading data on DHIS2 or some of your system, and you can very well connect the system to DHIS2. तो थोड़ा सा हमें इसके बारे में ब्रीफ कर देंगे हम, क्योंकि हम ये चाह रहे हैं कि वो सिस्टम, वो जो है डेटा वो हमारे DHIS2 से कनेक्ट हो जाए.
नहीं, बहुत शुक्रिया, थैंक यू. मैं आसिफ, आप कुछ कहना चाह रहे हैं? आई थिंक यू हैव अ
जी सर, मैं सप्लीमेंट करना चाहता था इसी उसके साथ. आपने सर ये फैसल सुल्तान साहब वाली जो मीटिंग का बताया था, उसमें डेवलपिंग डेटा फ्लो मैकेनिज्म्स, लैब इंफॉर्मेशन सिस्टम और HMIS, ये डॉक्टर नजमा के क्वेश्चन के साथ ही हम ये थोड़ा जानना चाह रहे थे सर, उनके साथ जो वो हुई थी या आपका जो आइडिया है वो वही, मतलब यू आर गोइंग टुवर्ड्स DHIS2 बिकॉज जो हमारी NCOC के साथ मीटिंग हुई थी वो भी अपना डाटा हब शिफ्ट कर रहे हैं NIH, और NIH इवेंचुअली DHIS2 पे ही मतलब लाना चाह रहा है. तो आर वी एट द सेम पेज? दूसरा सर, थोड़ा इसके साथ ही लैब इंफॉर्मेशन सिस्टम की बता दीजिएगा कि वो भी आप लिम्स का की तरफ देख रहे हैं और मतलब मैकेनिज्म. थैंक यू.
बहुत शुक्रिया आसिफ, and I think in addition to what I say, I'll request our director Ejaz, who is actually working at different levels of information systems, और मेरा ख्याल हमारी चंद एक मुलाकातें भी हो चुकी हैं. मैं सिर्फ आपसे ये कहूँगा कि DHIS2, honestly speaking, I mean, I'm sure you know me, I don't follow the conventionalities actually. We tend to make sure that in addition to global development agenda on informatics or technologies, we make sure that we actually align with what is required in terms of indigenous requirements of the country, rather than any global solutions that those platforms offer. So for us as a technology partner, we are very clear that DHIS2 is just an optics, and we are very happy to use it because that is what the song is all around. And I think with even Punjab, we have been working very closely. The whole development work, design work with UNICEF has been envisaged with us. My team has been working with them. So from I think an optics perspective, we will tend to use this vertical system for 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 visualization of data actually as one possible solution. But from the perspective of information, our vision is alongside with the government as to how we are actually creating intersections between all fragmented information systems of Pakistan, and also trying to get married with the social sector, SAS program, Nadra, and other data capturing जहाँ पे हो रही है उसको. For example, अभी हम केपी गवर्नमेंट के साथ मिले तो उनका ख्याल ये है कि, और हम काफ़ी आगे जा चुके हैं कि जो DHIS अभी जो है DHIS we are not happy and I think we have spoken this at various forums. ये जो रिपोर्टिंग सिस्टम है, आई एम श्योर आप चूंकि इंफॉर्मेशन सिस्टम से ही आपका ताल्लुक है, अगर रियल टाइम इंफॉर्मेशन नहीं है तो इट डजंट रिंग बेल्स टू एनी डिसीजन मेकिंग प्रोसेसेस. अगर सर्वेलेंस की इंफॉर्मेशन आपके पास महीने बाद आ रही है, इट डजंट मेक एनी डिफरेंस टू what interventions you can actually create, and that is what we feel very strongly about DHIS as well. It's a very good tool of measuring epidemiology and trends of different diseases, but it doesn't provide any solution on the ground actually, and that is why we are also looking at the reporting architecture as to how we can actually nudge Pakistan to start working out DHIS real-time applications at different levels of service delivery, and we have done it for KP government. It is emerging work that we are doing. So I think आपका जो सवाल था वो ये कि yes, of course, we are aligned with DHIS too. It will be used for some optical platforms. LIMS के हवाले से of course we will be working closely with you as to see laboratory information जो management system है आपका, उसमें अगर कोई चीज़ें कम हैं, उसमें supply chain की चीज़ें ऐड करनी है या और उसकी frequency को change करना है, ये सारी चीज़ें हम फिर मिल के आगे लेके जाएंगे. हमने को तकरीबन मिस नादिया तकरीबन 90-95 लोगों को ट्रेन किया across all these ताफ्तान बॉर्डर से लेके और पेशावर और तुरखम, ये सारी जगहों के ऊपर ना, on use of this system and of course online system. जो bigger perspective है वो यही है कि बल्कि एक टेक्निकल वर्किंग ग्रुप 2 लेवल पे हम फॉर्मेशन चाह रहे हैं, और वो सिर्फ IT और प्रोग्राम के लोगों के साथ हो, ताकि एक रेगुलर मीटिंग का बहाना मिल सके मंथली या एज पर नीड, जिसमें IT से रिलेटेड और प्रोग्राम से रिलेटेड लोग एक दूसरे की गुफ्तगू को सुन सकें, और जितनी भी डेवलपमेंट्स होंगी आने वाले दिनों में उनको जो है वो मेजर किया जा सके, ताकि कोई चीज़ कहीं से मिस ना हो पाए. तो अभी तो शायद अभी जो गुफ्तगू हो रही है उसमें हम चाहेंगे कि इसको किस तरह से जो है वो इंटीग्रेट कर दिया जाए, और कोई मुश्किल नहीं होगा. आई एम श्योर आई लेट एजाज आंसर योर क्वेश्चन, बट आई थिंक जो लार्जर पर्सपेक्टिव है वो ये है कि हम अभी 3 जगहों पे टच करना चाह रहे हैं, और डॉक्टर फैसल, डॉक्टर आमिर दे हैव काइंडली एग्रीड, और वो ये है कि मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ इंफॉर्मेशन टेक्नोलॉजी, मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ नेशनल हेल्थ सर्विसेज और प्रोविंशियल गवर्नमेंट्स के जो एक सिर्फ हेल्थ इंफॉर्मेटिक्स के ऊपर जो है ना वो एक वर्किंग ग्रुप बनेगा. एक वर्किंग ग्रुप होगा जो कि हेल्थ एंड पॉपुलेशन काउंसिल का सब ग्रुप होगा, मिनिस्ट्रियल लेवल पे होगा, एंड दे विल बी लुकिंग एट द लार्जर फ्रेमवर्क ऑफ हेल्थ इंफॉर्मेशन capturing and its utility at the political level. And then we are looking at developing technical working group of IT related people and people related to IT work actually vis-a-vis information. और उसका secretariat चूंकि NIH होगा, that means that I will be very happy to support monthly meetings in terms of coordination required moving forward on different pieces of all this information information systems across the country, क्योंकि larger वो mandate है गवर्नमेंट ऑफ पाकिस्तान का. तो मैं एजाज आप बता दीजिए अभी ये DHIS2, ये तो बहुत छोटी सी चीज़ है कि हम किस तरह से हेल्प कर सकते हैं PHE की. गो अहेड प्लीज.